for my brows, I'll just use what I have on my beauty sponge, and I'm using a carrot gel liner. This angle brush, see, it is thin, so I like to use this one. So I'm going to dip the brush. Look at this side here. This is the part where I extended the bronzer up to, and this is where my brow hair starts from. I don't know why. So what we are going to do is we will try as much as possible to make sure that the front part of our brows start from this side. So how do we do that? The first thing is we'll need to create our brows first. After brushing this side, after brushing it up, I'm going to fill in any sparse. That's the space where my eyebrow is not the same. I'm going to start filling in that part carefully, like this. See? I want it to look like my hair is growing from that side. Can you see that? So can you see the difference? Then for this part here, after combing it, I'm going to start from here. And the down part. Like so. So for this side where I started from, I'm not going to paint that side. Instead, I'll brush my brows towards that side, and I want to see the direction at which my brow is pointing at. So I'm just going to further mimic that. See, I'm not trying to shade, I'm trying to build on what I have. Like that. Then for the tail part, this side here, there's nothing there because this is how my brow is growing, like this. But I had to disconnect it from here. I always shave this side out so the brow will go this way. So that side, I'm going to start start giving it like a stroke, like so. Like that. Can you see it? So you see, this is how I like to do my brows. Okay, so this side here, I don't need to do anything here. I want to leave it like that, creating an illusion of this is how my brow is. This is how it starts. For me, I really do not believe in overdrawn brows because that is the first thing that gives off too much makeup.